In this video, I want to show you how to fix any oxygen concentrator that's making a rattling noise or shaking noise while you're using it. And it doesn't matter what model that you have. This particular one's a Stratus 5, but you might have an Inogen, you might have a Companion, you might have a Devil Biss. Doesn't matter what model that you have, they pretty much work with the same concept. Now, if you got an issue where it's rattling, there's nothing wrong with calling a service technician, and I'd highly recommend you do it just to get them serviced. They should be serviced at least every 3 to 6 months anyway. So just call the 800 number that's on the oxygen concentrator. But that was my disclaimer. So depending on your unit, check the around the surface. Usually there's a part that's loose. A lot of times it is the hydration bottle that's on the. Make sure that that is fastened on tightly. Inspect your unit around and turn it off and look at the filters. And what happens is if the filters aren't clean, they will sometimes the motor has to strain harder for it to filter out the air. So for example, with the Stratus 5, it's got 2 filters, but you might have 3. Look around your unit and see how many filters you have. You can with it off, you can vacuum this part and you can vacuum that part here. And then, or you can actually use dishwashing detergent and wash this filter. You can remove it. Just make sure it's bone dry, completely dry, before you put it back into the machine, to the concentrator. And a lot of times the clean filter will bring less stress to it, and that will not make it rattle as much. All right, next thing I want you to do is make sure it's on a flat surface, but also make sure it's not next to a bed or the wall. So again, it's not getting enough circulation, so it's making it work harder. So make sure it's away from any walls or sofas or couches. Make sure that there's plenty of ventilation here on the bottom and that the surface is flat. So if you have like a shagged carpet, you might want to put a piece of plywood or a hard surface there to put on top of it, the concentrator on top of it. That way it'll be might reduce the amount of noise that it's making. Again, make sure that there's no loose parts around. Check everything. Another thing that will make it strain is if the cannula or the oxygen tube in itself has got a kink in it. So inspect your line, make sure that there's no kinks. Get the kink out or replace the cannula or the oxygen tube in itself. And a lot of times you'll find that that will remedy the shaking and the banging noises. All right, if that continues to happen, go ahead and call the 800 number that's usually on the device itself. And or just, you might have to send it off or get it serviced because there could be something going on inside. I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get more cannulas or tubing off of Amazon. Or again, like I said, just call the 800 number and get them to bring you out more. With us, we had ours called out and they switched it out. The insurance company paid for it. We didn't have to pay anything. They switched out the Stratus 5 with another Stratus 5. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.